Jonathan, what are these?
Bees.
You like your eyes? Yeah.
Here, put some of these on the track. There they go. Jonathan, put your tongue away. Here it comes.
Mommy.
Hey, show me your new race car. Show me your new race car. Let me see it. What color is it?
Red.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Put that tongue away. Alright, say I love you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.